how to set up the storage library in CommVault. I'm in CommVault Command Center, on that. Then I click on Storage, followed by Disk. And then I click on Add, which I'm going to add my disk. I'm going to give the name of my disk to under Name, click Add under Storage. My media agent type, I only have one media agent, so that way. I'm going to click on Network. I'm going to uncheck Saved Credentials. And since this is a NAS drive that I'm using to create my storage library, I need to make and put it into my backup location. So this instance is going to be my shared drive. It's going to be 192.168.2.120. And then my deduplication database is going to be local to my media agent. I select this. Then I'm going to select D drive. I'm going to select dedupe database 1. Click on Save. Click on Save again. And save one more time. We can see that we have our 14 days, 2 cycles storage located. It's a shared NAS drive, about a 3 terabyte drive. So this is a logical device, a logical share basically in that drive, NAS drive. We go over to our Java console. We select the storage resources. Click on Library. We'll note that we have the share selected. Click on Storage Resources and then Libraries. We'll note that we have our 14 days, 2 cycles. Click on it, click on Properties, and it's ready to go. Paths, associations, security tab, who created it basically. Space management, it's a how much space we have, low watermark, percent, warning 30%. On the general tab, see that it's enabled and it currently has a lot of space. Once I do this, it will automatically create a dedupe database. You click under Storage Resources, Deduplication Engine. You select the 14 days, 2 cycles that we just recently did. So by default, when I added that deduplication dedupe database, when I created a path for it, created a dedupe engine exactly for this media agent.